Hi, welcome back to the Arcade Repair Tips video series. Today we're going to do a real quick tip on monitor chassis repair. Last night Michael was over and he showed me a quick tip that I think you'll find real interesting. This monitor chassis itself kept blowing a fuse. Every time you put a fuse in, it would blow right off the bat. Check the hot, wasn't the hot. Well, the next thing that he showed me was to check the diodes in the power supply section. Well, I did not know this, but it's very good for you guys to know. In a minute we'll show a close-up. There's always 4 diodes in a row on your chassis. And all you have to do is put your meter on continuity or diode check and check them real fast. And you see that there's 2 here. We're getting a long beep on. And it's also, they're going to short. So these 2 are shorted. They're bad, and that it's probably caused somebody hooking up this chassis without an isolation transformer. So if those diodes are bad, you'll keep getting your fuse blown. So check those diodes in the power supply section. Again, we'll show a close-up here in a little bit of what that looks like. And if they're reading short, then you'll know to change them. And there's always, you say, well, where did I get these diodes? You can find them even still at Radio Shack or just about anywhere. Or it's also good to keep some old busted chassis around or buy them off eBay, because you can rob those parts off of them a lot of times that they're good, which is probably what we'll do today. So like I said, what you're looking for are these diodes, 4 of them, all in a row. And I've seen them in different areas of the chassis. This one's right near this great big capacitor, but there's the 4 right there. And it doesn't matter which side you put your leads on. You should get a small beep right there, but then listen to this one. A constant, you can read the meter there, how it's changing to short like that. Then this one's fine. Now it does matter which way you put these in. You might notice, if you can zoom in or see, on this one right here, there's a stripe on this side. Okay, that would be the cathode side of the diode, and you want to make sure that if that stripe is on the left, that you put the new diode in with that stripe on the left. If the stripe is on the right, put it in on the right. Well, we hope that this helped fix your monitor today. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, just email us. Again, thank you for watching the Arcade Repair Test video series quick tip, now in high def.